Okay, let's talk about Australia's wild weather whiplash. It's a huge story happening right now.
Sounds crazy, right? But yeah, that's exactly what's forecast for some parts of the country.
And we're not talking about a local storm here. This thing is set to impact the entire country.
Yep, that's right. Every single state and territory is likely to see wet and stormy weather.
So, what's causing all this? A massive buildup of moisture over northern and central Australia.
This moisture is basically the fuel for some really widespread wet and stormy weather next week.
Okay, so with all this rain coming, what are the biggest risks? Well, there are two big ones.
First up, the sheer amount of rain. We're talking potential for over 100 millimeters in some spots.
And you know what that means? A serious chance of flooding and roads being cut off.
But hold on, it's not just rain. The second major threat is a potential tropical cyclone. The Bureau of Meteorology is actually warning this wet weather could ramp up a tropical low.
We could see some really destructive winds, with gusts hitting 120 kilometers an hour.
What's truly wild about this is the turnaround from the scorching heat just last week.
I mean, look at this. Last week, it was record-breaking heat waves. Now, widespread drenching rains.
Let's take Marie in South Australia. Last Thursday, the temperature there hit a blistering 49.8 degrees.
And this weekend, that very same town could get hit with 100 millimeters of rain.
So, let's break down the key things you really need to take away from all this. Okay, here's what to watch for. Widespread heavy rain, potential flooding, and that cyclone watch.
It really leaves you wondering. As these extremes get more common, how do we even prepare for them?